everybody. Welcome to another day in my life. Today I have a pretty packed day. It is Saturday the 7th, right? I have work tonight for 10 to 6, and then it's currently around like 17 minutes past 8 exactly. So I have one thing this morning, and then rest for the rest of the day I have two little fun little promotions, and then I have work tonight. So I'll try my best to take you along with me on my day. It's a lot of driving, it's a lot of work. I may not be able to use my phone all the time at all, but we'll see how much footage we could get, how much pictures. But let's get ready to jump on into my day. I have not gotten ready yet because we still have to be certain places at certain times. So we still have some time. But yeah, hope you all enjoy this video. I realize that a lot of you all really liked watching a day in my life with like the second to last video that I did. So I wanted to do a next one. I mean, I guess vlogging is something that I always love to do, even though I was really skeptical about it in the beginning. But once I have a lot going on in a day or a lot of fun stuff, I will try to take you along with me. So let's go.
like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big thing.
this, oh, don't mind the clothes here. This is my default makeup, which is like a neutral everything pink lip. And then the default hairstyle is the one that I had on all the time, which was like a side part and a low bun or like a thing. But I think for the first promotion that I have to do, my hair would be side part but down like this. It's my default uniform always. We always have to wear a white polo. So it is always a white polo and black jeans, just like that. So it is now like 20 to 11 and we are leaving home. So let's go onto the road. Alrighty, so I know I'm looking like a hot mess. It's like literally like 2 minutes or like to 8 right now, probably approximately about 8 o'clock. I changed the lipstick because we promoted another brand, so it's Gilva. I love this lipstick, I'm not gonna lie. I just opened up my hair because it was real sweaty. Plan, I am going to bathe now, get at least an hour to an hour and 20 minutes sleep, hopefully, because we're gonna work later on tonight. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Y'all realize, so y'all know that I have a thing with makeup that I can't do it properly, but I'm not gonna lie, it wasn't that bad today. I look a bit oily, but my eyes, I don't think it was that bad. Let me know, am I getting a little better with makeup, you know? Let me know guys. Alright, so makeup is off. I literally just put it off with coconut oil, and I have like rose water on my face right now. So I'm gonna do that, and it's currently like 8:15, so I'm signing out temporarily and I will be back soon. Bye! Okay, so it is 9:30. I get back. I have officially signed back in, and well, literally I actually got up at like 9:20. You know, it's kind of close my eyes. But this is the end of this vlog. It is the end of the day in my life. Today is the full vlog. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!